sharing how to make these 3D paper stars. I've made a few different kinds of paper stars in the past, from lunch bags, parchment paper, and cardboard, and it looks like there's no signs of me stopping with the star crafts. These are so easy to make, similar in easiness to the lunch bag paper stars and similar in look to the 3D cardboard stars. I was hoping to be able to use one of these as our tree topper this year, and it turned out perfectly for that. You can use them for decor, as a tree topper, and even as ornaments. For this project, you'll need paper. You can use any kind. Thicker paper like cardstock works the best as far as looks and sturdiness. I also used wrapping paper, which looks great with the patterns. However, the paper was thinner and made the stars look a little floppier. You'll also need a paper cutter or scissors and hot glue. I did use a glue stick on one and it worked fine, but hot glue was just a little faster and seems to hold better. You're going to start by cutting your paper into squares. Any size works. The smaller the squares, the harder they will be to fold. Smaller ones are cute for ornaments though. You'll need 5 to 6 squares, depending on if you're making a 5-point star or 6-point. This gold one was going to be my tree topper and I wanted a traditional star, so I did 5 pieces of paper. Once you have all the squares cut, take 1 square paper and fold that diagonally to make a triangle. If you have paper that's different on each side, like this gold paper, just remember to fold all the squares the same way. The inside of the paper never shows once it's completely folded. Open the paper back up and fold the top corner into the center line, similar to how you fold a paper airplane. Repeat that fold with the other corner. Fold the peak down, creasing well. Next, fold the top corner into the center line again, and repeat with the other side. Open those last 2 folds back up and add glue. Fold them down and press for a few seconds to stick. It should look like this. These are your star points. Repeat with the other squares. Take the star points and press them back down. Add hot glue to the top triangle of the point. Place the other folded down star point on top and hold for a few seconds till it sticks. Repeat this with all of the other star points. For this last part, you can use glue. Just place the glue in the same spot, unfold your star, and press it together. Or if you want to be able to take your star apart to store, you can unfold the star and then staple the last 2 edges together. Then you can just take out the staples and fold the star back up to store for using again next year. I like the look of the 6-point stars the best and made quite a few of those. And like I mentioned earlier, you can also use wrapping paper. Again, just be sure you're folding all the squares the exact same way. Here's what the process looks like using that to make a larger star. And that's it. It's so incredibly easy. I think it took more time for me to hang these than it did to actually make the stars. Be sure to check out our other paper star projects and subscribe to our channel for more fun crafts and DIYs.